What's good, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to do this effect today. Very simple. You wanna go to Windows, go on Tracker, and it's gonna bring up the tracking tab on the right. You wanna click Track Motion, and the tracker point you wanna put it onto the object you wanna track. So I'm tracking his head because I'm putting text on his head. On gaming videos, you wanna make the box bigger, but I kind of want it to fail a bit, so I can like show you how to manually track it in case you messed up. So when analyze it, when you press analyze, let it play out, and you can see it goes way above his head, like it isn't even above his head. So I'm gonna go back to the point where it doesn't track his head anymore. So I'm gonna look for that point, and I'm looking. Okay, I'm gonna find it. Okay, so like right here, it didn't track his head. So I'm gonna show you guys how to like manually do it and keep it on his head. So you want to go in with your mouse and just put the box in the middle of his head, or the tracking point you want to track. So I'm gonna just keep tracking it, very simple and easy. So beautiful. So I'm gonna just fast forward it. You can like still see it. Like I'm just putting it on his head, like following his head. Okay, so after you're done with that, you want to go to new, make a null object, and put it above the layer. So you're gonna use that null object to put the target on. So as you can see, like, ooh, it looks terrible. Why is my video like that? Okay, so you can put a null object over it. You're gonna go to edit target to the null object you just made. So very simple, very easy. So as you done that, click apply. Beautiful. Make sure it's on X and Y. That's very important. But once on X and Y, you can like see the red box. Oh, look at that, so perfect, like genius. So as you can see, it's following. So now you just can add your text, and it's actually that simple. So I'm gonna add my text. I'm gonna put "You are amazing" in the beginning. It's very simple, very easy. So I'm gonna do that text, and I'm gonna just follow it along. So as you can see, I like the little. I can't do stuff normally. I like to add a little bit of flavor to it, if it makes sense. So I'm gonna add a little dark shadow to it, because I just can't leave like that. So I mean, a drop shadow. So put it there. I'm gonna make it little. I'll make it yellow. Yeah, I'll make it yellow. Sorry guys, this is a hidden gem basically. I'm not a hidden gem. I'll just give you a gem in the video. So make the softness up, because this is how I like to do it. Like it looks good to me. Hopefully it look good to you guys too. But okay, so now let's get back on track. You want to parent this layer to the null layer, and it's gonna follow it. Like even when it does the shakes, it's gonna follow it. Like watch it. See, it just followed the shake. It looks so clean and so beautiful. Like it's that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.